What is going on, YouTubers out there in the world? 1 Minute Fix here, and I thought I'd share with you guys the interior changes from diamond pattern tissue to black leather seats and door panels on my BMW E46. Also, it's rare and hard to have the car this clean, free from dust and sand, especially when living next to the beach. So without any further ado, I'll let the images talk. Oh, just one more thing. That plastic paint in the interiors is still looking fresh and new after 1 year of daily usage. Enjoy!
E que nojo.